Welcome to Qatar.
Welcome.
Corniche, ha? Museum, what's the name sa ilang museum?
Museum of Islamic Art.
Museum of Islamic Arts. Look at that. Crowded. Come on. Wala na sila dates man, no?
That is the date. That is date in
Wala
English.
siya.
It's called Tamar in Arabic.
Tamar. Look at that. Oh,
You can see the sunset from here.
welcome to Qatar. Na sila yung mga sila yung fasad. Pero sure kayo mga kuha. Matoy proper dito siguro, no?
That is business center. West Bay.
West Bay?
Yeah, West Bay. Nakita na yan o baka bakang yan.
Tuyok-tuyok na siya.
Yeah, it's
Well, sure. Dali siya kayo. Switch sama na. Wala na sila. Pa-sunset na siya.
No, you can touch the sunset process there.
Argo. Basta na tong ilok.
Okay, that's natural.
It's part of life.
Buti gani kayo, hindi ko kayo tiginit karon niya.
Uh-huh.
Manageable pa.
Look at that.